In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online just by doing something pretty unusual. If this is something you're curious to find out, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So besties, do you know you can make money by flipping websites? Yes, so in today's video, I'm going to break everything down for you step by step. So guys, welcome back to my channel where we talk about creative ways to make money online and take control of your financial future. Today, guys, as you can see, I'm super excited to dive into a topic that is often overlooked and can be incredibly rewarding. Yes, so guess what it is? It is website flipping. I mean, imagine taking an underperforming website and turning it into a money-making machine. I mean, it's kind of like flipping houses, but without the messy renovations or noisy neighbors. Guess what, guys? The best part is this: you can do it from the comfort of your home. Yes, so even in your pajamas. Yes, are you intrigued? Let's go ahead and break this down. Yes, so let's get started on how to start flipping websites even as a complete beginner. So in case you're wondering, what is website flipping? So guys, in simple terms, it is the process of buying undervalued websites, improving their value through design, content, and monetization strategies, then selling them for a profit. I mean, it's like finding a thrifted gem, giving it some tender, loving care, and selling it at a premium. Does that sound exciting? Guys, guess what? You don't need to be a tech wizard or a marketing guru to start. All you need is the right strategy, a bit of patience, and a willingness to learn. Are you ready to roll off your sleeves? Yes, your digital sleeves. Come with me, guys. Let's go. So guys, there are marketplaces like Flippa and Empire. Yes, the first step is finding undervalued websites, and that's where platforms like Flippa comes in. Yes, we have Motion Invest and we also have Empire. Yes, I mean, think of these as a treasure trove for aspiring website flippers. Here is the thing. Do you know that you can find these websites? Yes, you can find listings for websites ranging from $100 to thousands of dollars depending on your budget. Yes, but the key is to spot potentials. So go ahead and look for websites with decent traffic but poor monetization. For example, if there's a blog with 10,000 monthly visitors but no ads, no affiliate links, guys, it is a gold mine waiting to be tapped. Now, you can use tools like SEMrush and SimilarWeb for analyzing website metrics. Now, you can use tools like SEMrush to evaluate traffic sources, domain authority, and keyword rankings. Don't forget to reach out directly to the website owners, or if you see a potential, a polite email can actually go a long way. Now comes the fun part: adding value to your website. This is where you turn your fixer-upper into a high-performing digital asset. Now, let's break it down. First of all, go ahead and optimize the content, update old articles, add fresh posts, target new keywords, because high quality content drives traffic and traffic equals money. Second thing you need to do is to improve the design and user experience. No one wants to browse through a clunky website. Invest in a clean, mobile-friendly theme and speed up your loading times. Yes, it's all about making your site irresistible to visitors. Yes, so the third thing you need to do is to what? Is to monetize. Add ads, include affiliate links, or even sell digital products. The more income streams the site has, the more attractive it becomes to buyers. Now, the next thing is to sell your website for maximum profit. Yes, so now you've worked your magic, and now it's time to cash in. The golden rule here is to know your website's worth. Websites usually sell for 20 to 50 times of their monthly profit. So if your website makes maybe $500 a month, you can list it for $10,000 to $25,000. There are platforms like Flippa. Yes, they are great for beginners. Empire Flippers cater to higher value websites. Don't forget to prepare a detailed listing with proof of traffic and revenue to the website. Transparency actually builds trust and attracts serious buyers. When offers come in, don't settle for the first one. Negotiate confidently. Use escrow services like escrow.com to ensure a smooth, secure transaction. And there you have it, guys. The beginner's guide to making money online by flipping websites. It's a super creative way, an exciting way to turn your digital hustling into real income. So whether you're looking for a side gig or dreaming of quitting your 9-to-5 job, website flipping can be your ticket. If you have found today's video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bells for more tips on making money online. And hey, if you have any questions, don't forget to drop them in the comments. I'd love to help you get started on your website flipping journey. So guys, if you're new to this channel, by all means, please introduce yourselves in comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? Where are you watching from? I want to know you guys. So please introduce yourselves. I want to know your name and how you found my video. And please do not hesitate to also share this video now. Share this video with your friends. Let's all make money together. Do you know that website flipping is a big deal? And let me tell you something that happened to me a couple of days ago. I actually bought a domain name. I bought a domain name and I realized that some names are actually secure. Like, they don't allow you buy the website, the domain name, at a regular price. It's priced thousands higher than the regular. I'm telling you. So let's assume that you go to GoDaddy and you buy a domain name for maybe $20. These websites go as far as $1,500. And no one is using it though. They just secure the name. That's another thing. Yes, you can also go ahead and buy domain names and keep it. Yes, you're the owner, you keep it. So whenever anyone wants to buy it, they will reach out to you and then you negotiate and you release the website to them. So guys, that is it. And in case you're wondering, okay, let me introduce myself. Don't worry, it's not a human being. So guys, my name is Mariam A based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. So this is one of my mannequins and this is one of my pieces. So let me show you. I'm sure you will like, hey, let me buy it. Yeah, so that's my mannequin with my gill. So yes, I have this outfit in different sizes and it's available on my website. So besties, if you're looking to make money online this year, this is your plug. Make sure that you follow this channel. Follow us because here we share information. And just so you know, I have a secret website where you can get surveyed. Yes, surveys as high as $1,000. $500, $1,500. In fact, I recently got a survey for $1,850 personally for me. Yes, with proof. You know, and if you want to really see, no wonder no one talked about this website. So you see that they don't even know about, because when I applied for this particular gig, the survey, they were asking me how did I find it. Hey, I am the guru. When it comes to doing research, it's our job, it's our work. You know, so if you want to find out about that, join my Patreon community, book a free consultation. Do you know that when you join my Patreon community, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me? We can discuss all things money, grants, business, and everything in between. You know, here, I'm a serial seasoned entrepreneur, just in case you don't know. So now you know. This is not the only business that I do. I do multiple businesses, and I recently launched a new business. So yes, if you're looking to get gold for yourself or your loved ones, Van Cleef, yeah, different kinds of golds, you want it customized with your name, send me an email. Yes, or you visit our website and yes, pre-order your gold. Our turnaround time is very, very, very little. So yes, go ahead and send me an email today. Let's do business. And of course, if this video has blessed you, know how we do it. Click on the subscribe button, like today's video, and do well to share with your friends. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye for now. Love you.